Hi, I'm Aidman, and I'm going to discuss today another aspect of the so-called independent medical examination. It's not independent at all. The insurance company requests that the plaintiff be examined by a doctor that the insurance company has chosen. And because it's not truly independent, the plaintiff's lawyer should, in almost every case, have somebody go with the plaintiff to the exam. Sometimes the lawyer, him or herself, will go to the exam. It's a good idea, but there's one major caveat. If the lawyer sees something at the examination which becomes a matter that's contested at trial, and the plaintiff's lawyer himself or herself has to testify, then the plaintiff's lawyer's got to get out of the case and someone else is going to have to take over, and no lawyer wants to lose a case because of that kind of thing. So for certainly a big case, I don't think plaintiff's lawyers want to risk losing the case by doing that. So they'll send generally a nurse to go with the plaintiff to the exam. And the nurse's role will be to watch over things and make sure that things go okay, to take charge of what the plaintiff will say at the exam. The plaintiff will be prepped before the exam to not say too much about the accident itself, because the doctor may be looking to create a record and thereby add to the chances of inconsistencies being brought out or manufactured by the doctor, which will give more for the defense lawyer to use at trial. If the plaintiff told the lawyer at deposition that he was going 30 miles per hour at the time of the accident, but if he tells the doctor 40 miles per hour, then you got one of those things that defense lawyers can use to try to make the plaintiff look bad. So what the plaintiff will say, and also the nurse takes note of how long the examination lasts. Usually these so-called IMEs last no more than 6 or 7 minutes in terms of the actual physical examination, and that's a matter of importance and something that can be brought out at trial. And also the questions about prior medical history. The nurse can be there to watch over it and make sure that things go well. So it's an adversarial situation, not that anybody is going to be acting rudely or with hostility. Everybody's a professional, everybody's doing their job, although the doctors are making an enormous amount of money off of this, and so they're highly motivated to help the insurance company, and you could argue whether that's professional at all, but it is what it is. Any questions? I'm at 610-642-7676.